There's this library in the play where it's a magic library where when one of the books is taken out about a particular subject, the books around it actually morph and change to reflect the same subject material. And when I saw that, I immediately said, that's how the brain works. The way the brain works is a kind of pseudo-hypnosis. Hypnosis is about context and context setting and narrowing of context. All of us have such a wealth of historical, present, and future thinking cognition in our brains. But when we get anchored to a particular emotional state or topic, what ends up happening is that the available topics around it change in reference to how stressed we are. When we are stressed, all the topics, all the books on the shelf around that stress are about that thing and how to solve it. And actually, this is why stress enhances our memory for solving the things that can help us solve that particular issue. Guess what is given up? All the other distantly or not so distantly related topics that lend themselves to creativity, to thinking about novel combinations of things. This is why our friend Rick Rubin, I think, is such a spectacularly creative individual, because he spends a lot of time putting his brain and body into a state in which he can remain in contact with these other related or seemingly unrelated topics. Whereas when we're in a stressed mode, when we have to problem solve, when we are in vigilance, we absolutely narrow our cognitive fields, our visual fields, our auditory fields. We limit what we think is possible.